Alright guys, let me turn on the light. I got some JDM fasteners. Hold up my bumper. So I can take it off quickly now. I originally got them because I slammed the car, but now it's not slammed anymore. And I left the tape outside. I opened it up with this. Okay, let me put the camera down. Camera down. Sticker. Little bag and open it. Okay, so here they are. So now I hold up my bumper. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna do this, but I think I have to drill into it. I don't know, but we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I think today my polishing video, compounding video, and this video should be up. So yeah.